Go.
Hi, the Super Car Wash is celebrating our 25-year anniversary. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank the following families for their loyal support over the last quarter century. The Lees, the Janjoviches, the Andersons, the Brinkies, the Novas, the Specks, the Pollards, the Nyholts, the Mitchells, the Henneberries, the Kahns, the Anscombs, the Boyles, the Stauffenbergers, the Pomeroys, the Moreaus, the Johnsons, the Stevensons, the Snooks, the Armstrongs, the Rowleys, the Domenkus, the Sheridans, the Baintons, the Smiths, the Reynolds, the Maitlands, the Englishes, the Firsts, the McDonalds, the Scannells, the Cooks, the Langs, the Arboledas, the Bertrands, the Seguiers, the Humphreys, the Hills, the Cosbys, the Thorns, the McPhails, the Spencers, the Rennies, the Wellers, the Lopezes, the Reeves, the Hewells, the Feenstra, the Boers, the Ellisons, the Harpers, the Savios, the Turners, the Martinis, the Chisholms, the Lyons, the McFarlands, the Asbridges, the Challinors, the Dirksons, the Soruses, the Dermos, the Kellys, the McTavishes, the Roberts, the Joyces, the Jollivets, the Foxes, the Shepherds, the Clarks, the Elkins, the Combers, the Dirksons, the Coitos, the Sings, the Southcotts, the Signs, the Watsons. Thank you for all your support. Don't worry. If we missed your family, we promise to catch you in the 50-year anniversary. Thank you.